Hey everyone, it's Ashley from Art Factory. Grab that 1/2-inch filbert and put in some clouds over the eyes because we're doing Easter designs. We're starting with these clouds right here, which we will connect with a big rainbow. This is the Art Factory 1/2-inch filbert and a little blue and white split cake, and then a 1-inch Art Factory flat brush. I like to put it between the clouds on the forehead, and then I like to continue the color down on the cheeks a little bit. It just kind of makes the design more fancy that way. I use a number 3, or I believe it's actually maybe a number 4, Art Factory round and some white to put in some swirls, some teardrops, some stars. You could sprinkle glitter. Super fast and easy design. Perfect for those fast-paced gigs. All right, next we have a ladybug design, and I'm using the Art Factory filbert. This is the fat filbert, and I'm just drawing some big leaves with it. Their leaves are so quick with this brush. And then I'm using a 1/2-inch filbert to draw in the red, which is just a half circle to make the ladybug. And then I'm outlining with a number 3 Art Factory round brush. This is Diamond FX black, so makes my outlines really easy. And I like to do just some little hearts instead of spots, and outline the leaves, put in a few highlights, and add some little swirly curlies, and you're done. You can make them as fancy or as simple as you want. These are all just quick designs. I want to make sure you had some really cool quick designs for your Easter gigs coming up. This one is cool. It's an Easter egg on the forehead, or you could also do it on the cheek. I just chose to do it on the forehead in this example. You could do it on the arm or the cheek, wherever. And I just used the fat filbert to draw a 2-tone egg shape, and then I filled it in with some pale yellow and some black. And now I'm going to turn the egg into a spider. So we add some really cool little easy black legs. You want the 2 to face up on the top and 2 to face down on the bottom. That's what makes it look like a spider. Then I'm just going to grab some white, and I'm going to add, some eyes, some fangs, some little, highlights, some webs. As you can see, the black wasn't quite dry, so it dragged down to the webs and made that weird gray color. When you're using these really awesome practice boards, which we sell at artfactorystore.com, sometimes the paint can take a little bit to dry. And so, yeah, it'll grab other colors, but they still work great for doing, videos, practice designs. Oh my gosh, guys, this is embarrassing. I forgot to film this. So here's a picture of the other design. Draw some eggs that look like sports balls. I'm so sorry. I don't know how I forgot to film that. This one is a bee. Oh, this is such a cute fluffy bee with some flowers. This is perfect for Easter, but also springtime. Super cute. I used, again, the fat filbert to draw the bee, the 1/2-inch filbert to draw the flowers and the leaves. And now it's just a matter of outlining and adding in the shapes. I'm kind of making this bee look fluffy because I think bumblebees are super cute and fluffy. So I'm adding in lots of little strokes to do this part. Super fun and cute. I don't really feel a need to draw like legs necessarily on the bees, but you can if you want. The wings for me are just some loop-de-loops. And yeah, that's a few highlights and I'm done. Super cute and fast. All right, so this one I got a sponge. I'm putting in some color, and then I'm using the back of the dry side of the sponge to spread out the color and make it look soft. And then I'm using a 1/2-inch filbert to draw in the muzzle and the rest. This is going to be a cute bunny face. And then I went back with pink on my 1/2-inch filbert to fill in the nose, the ears, and the eye makeup. The nose kind of looks like a heart. I think that looks more like a bunny nose that way. And then a 3-inch round to draw in the outline. So I'm doing the muzzle, the teeth on the top lip, a little curly cute hair in the middle of the forehead, and some big floppy ears. And just adding in, some outlines and then some cool eyelashes from the corners. This is kind of a girly, feminine bunny, but you can skip the eyelashes if you want. It doesn't have to be pink. It could be any color the kids want. Super fast and easy. This is another bunny, but it's inspired by Gretchen Fleener's design. So this one, I think she actually glues a tail on her bunny though, but this is all just paint. This design is just a bunny, like a bunny butt. Bunny butts are really cute. And it's easy because then you don't have to draw the face, right? That makes it a lot faster, a lot simpler. I'm just using a 1/2-inch flat. Again, these are all Art Factory brushes that you can get at artfactorystore.com. These boards are the sparkling face practice boards that are also available at artfactorystore.com. And yeah, just outlining it, putting in some little jelly bean toes and feet, little cotton ball butt, little half circle for the heads, and 2 little overfurl the ears, and that's it. Super easy. Again, I wanted all these designs to be really easy and quick for everyone. This one's cute. It goes on the nose. So just go ahead and fill in the nose area, and then add some little kind of like cheekbones on the sides of the nose area, and then 2 long ears, some fluffy hair on the top of the head. And I'm going in with pink to add pink for the nose and for the ears. It can be a little tricky to draw on people's noses because it's really tickly right there, so just, keep that in mind. This one might be better on, slightly older kids who can handle it, but it looks cute on everyone. And I'm just outlining all the ears. Super cute. And then you can go back and add highlights with little dots on the eyes if you want. If someone had a very pointy nose, I'm not sure this design would work quite as well on them, so keep that in mind as well. All right, so then I've got the 1/2 inch flat, and I'm just kind of drawing the shape of a bunny, which is just a few circles on top of each other, almost like a snowman. And then a circle in the middle for the tail, 2 on the side for the legs, and 2 long ovals for the ears. Some grass with the same brush, and then a number 3 round to outline everything. And this is the back of the bunny, so you don't have to worry about drawing a face or anything. Just kind of outline all the big shapes. Really quick and easy. Some little whiskers come out the side, you're done. All right. So this one, I just kind of grabbed a random split cake and used it to draw a fun background color. And then I used a brown to draw a basket. So this is going to be a basket with some little eggs. And I'm just using my 1/2 inch flat again to draw the eggs in the basket. And then I'm just going to outline the shape of the basket. And then I'm going to draw like a cross hatch. So like lines going one direction and then the other, almost like a waffle. Just to make a basket kind of pattern. I'm going to outline the handle, and you don't have to do this part, but I kind of drew these little stripes on the handle. You don't really have to do that if you don't want. Highlights on the eggs and some little hearts and then some swirls, and you're done. Super easy, quick basket of eggs for Easter time. All right, so this one is another bunny face, but it's just a different style. So I'm drawing with my 1/2 inch filbert. And I'm filling in with a blue split, so I drew the nose and everything, but this time I had the ears pointing up and inward, so they're kind of facing each other, kind of a silly expression, rather than that cutesy one on the last one. And then pink on the nose again, and pink on the ears. And now we're just gonna outline it. Doing kind of a lumpy, swampy, swirly kind of muzzle on the bunny, and the swirly hair in the middle. And then making sure the ears are facing inwards. Kind of like the rabbit is like at attention and listening. Some big polka dot freckles for the whiskers. And then I draw 2 big teeth on the bottom lip. You don't have to do this part. Some kids are really ticklish right there, so you can skip it, but it does look cute. Some whiskers, and you can draw on the teeth before you add the black, but I kind of forgot, so I filled it in a second. But you get the idea. That's it. All right, so now I'm just going to draw some really quick, basic, like Easter cheek art shapes. So this is just a peep, like a peep marshmallow. So you could use any of the classic peep colors. It's just 2 ovals and 2 circles. I don't know if it could get any easier. I'm just drawing the outline of a bunch of shapes, and it takes a bit for the paint to dry on these plastic boards. So I'm just drawing in a bunch of shapes, and then I'll outline them all at once. So the second one is using the fat filbert to draw in with a 1 stroke to make like an egg, and then the second egg is just the other way of drawing it. So you can do stripes, or you could do the whole oval shape. The big white blob is going to be a sheep, so I just put in a bunch of white, like a big giant cotton ball, and I'm going to outline everything. There's my little peep, triangle nose, 2 little dots for eyes, and I outline. That's it. No arms, no legs. Super easy peep bunny marshmallow. The sheep is just little circle, 2 little ears. I don't know if you can really see the legs because they're black on this blackboard. I'll go back and highlight them in a minute, but kind of a Shaun the Sheep type style sheep. It's super cute and easy. Drawing some details on the egg, and to cover up where the 1 stroke left some spots blank, I like to put in zigzag on top of that. Ta-da! So it looks like it's perfectly oval now, and you can add some details, stripes, dots, that kind of thing. Super easy. I hope you guys liked it. This video was a lot of fun to make. I hope you guys have a lot of fun at your Easter design events, and I hope you got some inspiration from this video. Can't wait to make another one for you, and I hope you guys have a great Easter. Please leave me comments. Let me know what you think, what the next video should be. Visit artfactorystore.com for all of your face paint needs. Again, my name is Ashley, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.